So at this age, they still want to be hand fed. They can eat on their own. I thought it was pretty fun. And more so if I can feed them. Now this one's a pig. I'm using a shot glass to mix their food, make it easier to carry it around. This one turned out really nice, and he eat like a ton, constantly begging for food. I love doing this. There you go. There you go. Come on. Good boy. Come on. I used to, when they're young, I used to whistles to get their attention for them to eat. But now, basically, I'm showing up and they'll come to me. Never mind. Here you go. Don't fly off. Don't fly off. Come on. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. Eat.